AGI Bot finally unveiled several critical features built into its newest humanoid robot. Plus, stick to the end to see a state-of-the-art AI video generator that's completely free. But first, AGI Bot just unveiled its new humanoid with an extreme power-to-weight ratio. It's named the A3, and it stands at 173 centimeters, or about 5 feet 8 inches, and it weighs just 55 kilograms, or about 121 pounds, because of its ultra-lightweight magnesium titanium alloy skeleton that's reinforced with flexible TPU materials. And when it comes to muscle, its custom high power density actuators deliver a maximum current of 150 amps in order to pump out 12 kilowatts of peak output. This translates to a 0.218 kilowatt per kilogram power to weight ratio, which puts the A3's burst performance on par with a top-tier supercar. And this raw power output allows the A3 to perform martial arts, cyclone spins, high-speed sprints, and backflips with total joint stability. And to handle these intense physical tasks for extended periods, the A3 incorporates a special battery architecture for continuous power. First, the robot integrates a high-density 1,152 watt-hour dual battery system that's built on full tab cell technology. This means that the architecture yields a maximum runtime of 10 hours on a single charge, with reports of over 4 hours while actively working and walking. And for 100% uptime 24 hours a day, the A3 incorporates a redundant hot swappable battery setup, allowing operators to swap out spent power packs in under 10 seconds without powering down the main compute units or resetting the system state. But comment down below if you think autonomous battery swapping should be a feature out of the box. As for physical specs, AGI Bot still hasn't disclosed how many degrees of freedom the A3 will feature, but the A3 will have enough to carry payloads for commercial task execution. Plus, for more rapid deployment, a single human operator can manage multiple units out of the box, with the robot setup supporting autonomous case loading and unloading, with AGI Bot saying that this makes the A3 more functional for warehouse handling, event staging, or even retail environments. But the real power is really in the A3's artificial intelligence and open software stack. In fact, the A3 operates on AGI Bot's embodied intelligent brain architecture, which combines the WITA Omni multimodal model with the Go1 Generalist Foundation model, and it all natively links up with NVIDIA's Isaac GR00T framework, using a behavioral foundation model to translate single-shot video demos into complex movements. Plus, for further developer customization, the ecosystem is fully open source, with Linkcraft handling downloading and sharing custom physical motion profiles from other robots, while LinkSoul gives teams deep control over character behaviors, UI responses, and localized autonomous logic. But the most unique feature of the A3 is in its new multimodal sensory feedback system and swarm control. So to start, instead of relying on voice inputs in loud spaces, the A3 features an industry-first shoulder touch sensing interface, allowing humans to guide or pause the robot via direct physical touch. On top of this, a 360-degree omnidirectional microphone array handles far-field voice processing, and for global connectivity, the robot includes global 5G support with eSIM or physical SIM, as well as ultra-wideband radio positioning. So when this feedback system is coupled with AGI Bot's fleet management system, a single control node can coordinate synchronized multi-robot swarms of over 100 units simultaneously with sub-centimeter accuracy. And AGI Bot is already transitioning from a high-performance prototype into a scalable commercial product line, with the price being reported to be between $45,000 to $70,000 US, depending on what model you order. But should they offer a leasing option? Make sure to comment down below. Meanwhile, in the latest leap in AI video generation, Seedance 2.5 is leading the way. Working through az8.art as the creative hub, the demonstration moves from a single prompt to a fully rendered scene, highlighting sharper motion coherence, richer detail, and more natural physics than earlier models. Each stage, prompting, refining, and rendering, unfolds inside az8.art, illustrating how the platform streamlines a creator's workflow. And in the 3D world, NVIDIA just expanded its agent toolkit to include new Omniverse libraries, giving AI agents the tools to help developers add physical AI capabilities to existing software and prepare 3D content for simulation. The release includes 3 core libraries available on GitHub. OverTX handles RTX sensor simulation, generating camera, LiDAR, and radar outputs from 3D scenes. OviPhysics brings GPU-accelerated physics, simulating collisions, mass, friction, and motion. And CAD to SimReady skills convert CAD data into SimReady assets built on OpenUSD. Plus, a new blueprint also integrates these libraries directly into Blender, and software makers like SideFX and PTC are already building with the toolkit, integrating it into Houdini and Onshape alongside startups like ForgeCAD, Lightwheel, Moonlake AI, and Palatial. And these workflows run locally, scaling from NVIDIA RTX Spark systems to GB300-powered DGX station hardware. Furthermore, NVIDIA also released Nemotron 3.5 Lightning, a 30 billion parameter open model built for high-volume agentic tasks, delivering up to 4 times faster output and 30% faster task completion than comparable models. Alongside it, NVIDIA's NeMo Switchyard automatically routes agent requests to the right model for each step, and internal benchmarks are showing that it holds frontier-level accuracy while cutting costs to nearly a third of Opus 4.8, with early adopters including CrowdStrike, LangChain, and RAMP. And finally, Black Forest Labs' state-of-the-art AI video generator is temporarily free to use, as an updated version of Flux 3 Video just climbed to the number 2 spot on the text-to-video arena leaderboard, leading the company to make the model free to use in its playground through Sunday, August 16th at 11:59 p.m. According to Black Forest Labs, the updated Flux 3 Video scored 1,496 points on the leaderboard, putting it just 16 points behind the current top spot, Gemini Omni Flash, with the company having launched the original Flux 3 Video just a week prior. And Black Forest Labs frames this release as an early step rather than a finished product. In the same announcement, it also teased several features still to come, including 4K output, in-app video editing, and support for multiple images and videos together as reference input for a single generation, but none of these are available yet. And the free playground access applies specifically to Flux 3 video generations through the deadline, giving users a limited window to test the model at no cost before standard pricing resumes on Monday. So for a company that entered general video generation availability only recently, closing in on the top arena spot within roughly a week.
Good evening. A pack of wild cats has taken over the city.
Anyways, like and subscribe for more AI and robotics news, and thanks to az8.art for sponsoring this video.